personalized learning assessment, tutoring systems, and students' assessments. We just try to have a case study in Indonesian higher education. The AI revolution in education. All AI is transforming education globally, enabling personalized learning, automated evaluations, and real-life interaction. It's shifts from teacher-centers to the learner-centered models. Now, how can we have these one examples in adaptive learning? Firstly, in adaptive learning, AI system adapt materials to individual students' need. Why we should discuss about this AI in adaptive learning? As a systems, a student or teachers can adapt materials for the students' need. How can we understand student needs? How can we find or analyze need assessment or need analysis of the learning style in classroom activities? Now, this is how can we have AI, a revolution in education. The second problem is the progress tracking. AI can be used, it monitors student progress and provides immediate feedback. By having artificial intelligence examples, teachers or lecturers and students can have, we can monitor, we can measure our progress and provide immediate feedback. And this is the cases of how can we understand the revolutions in education technology. This is, we can have how can I say, the real activities having AI revolution in education. The next is learner centers oriented. The transition to data-driven student focus in education. Formerly, we still have teacher-centered learning, teacher-learner centers. But today we should modify using AI revolution in education. We use students, learner centers, or the learner centers education. And this is how can we have the transition to data-driven student focus in education. And next slide, we also understand examples why we should adopt the AI in Indonesian's learning activities as media learning examples. In this one, AI adoptions in Indonesia. Indonesian university integrate AI tools like chatbots, adaptive platforms, and writing evaluators to boost efficiency, especially in the larger clusters. Now, how can we have this one? We think a chatbot for instant support. We just try to imagine how this technology, communication technology, make us easier to do teaching or evaluation and so on. So chatbot for instant support. The second point is adaptive learning platform examples in Ruang Guru and what else? In also others, Zenius, some learning platforms examples. And also using AI, it is easy for us, whether teacher and lecturers, to understand or to check plagiarisms, checkers examples. And then we can have also like automated writing evaluators. So this tool help provide personalized guidance where instruction might struggle. Now, this is how can we really want to know the cases of something easier for us in artificial intelligence as how can I say as learning tools and so on. Next slide is the opportunities and challenges of having AI examples. AI offers a solution for uneven access and teacher shortages, but faces challenge in infrastructures, training, and ethical governance. Now, how can we divide this one? These activities we just try to have like how can I say like uh, opportunities examples. Now, this is the opportunities is uh, yeah, we can have like how can I say additions and even access to quality teachings. AI it can give a guarantee in teaching qualities, whether promoted by the teachers or how students adapted themselves in AI revolution examples. The second opportunities is compensate for limited instruction resources. Yet we can use this one, how can we compensate for limited instructional resources in teaching and learning process? And then the next is mitigates a teacher shortage in rural areas. Now, how can we have this one? We just try to really want to know how mitigates or mitigations a teacher shortage in rural areas, rural controls, and so on. The challenge in having AI requires substantial infrastructures investment. Yeah, we really want to require this one. How can we have infrastructures? How can we invest the infrastructures, learning infrastructure or study infrastructures? The second challenge is need extensive teachers training. Using AI, we can extensive training activities and need extensive teachers training. And the last challenge is demands ethical governance to prevent misuse of something, and how can we have this, let me say, the process of learning. Okay, the next page is research methodologies. A mixed method study with 160 senior English department students at the University Muhammadiyah Sedendang Rapang. Firstly is participants. 160 senior English department students. It can divide it in how can I say 85% female, only 15% male. The second is the quantitative survey in this methodology is 20 item questionnaires on AI's impact, 5-point Likert scales, and the third is qualitative interviews. From this kind of interviews, we just try to select 20 randomly students exposed AI experiences. Why we do choose this one? Because we really want to have a chance our student will expose how their experiences in using AI. And then the fourth is data analysis. In this case, I necessarily use descriptive statistic for quantitative, thematic for qualitative. Now, this is how can we run these activities. Next is the key, how can I say, key findings. We can read this graphic like, sorry. Uh, Firstly, how can I say, significantly improve learning in Indonesian higher education across four core components with higher education. You can see this data and then shows something. Okay, personalized learning assessments. In personalized learning assessment example, AI adapt materials in individual space, offering targeted recommendations and remedial exercises. This is consists of two activities: foster autonomy and self-directing learning, and bridges competence and learning speed gaps. In automated assessment example, M is 3.98. AI tools provide immediate data-driven feedback on writing quality and grammar. Consists of help detecting errors and revise effectively. And the second, occasional inaccuracy, highlight need for human oversight. Okay, intelligent and tutoring and engagement. Intelligent tutoring system examples, we got 4.03. All tutors offer real-time support, explaining complex topics and guiding problem solving. This consists of enhanced learning flexibility and accessibility, like emotional awareness, complement, and human instructors. And then in student engagement example, we have median point is 4.05. In interactive and gamified AI, features stimulate motivation and participation. Example, bridges achievement and progress dashboard boost enjoyment. The next is next balance with human interaction for deeper reflections. The conclusions, a human-centered futures. AI is transformative yet complementary, enhancing personalized assessment, tutoring, and engagements. Now, how can we have this one in personalized, tailored content and paces? Why we discuss this one? We just try to have like tailored content and paces. In assessment, we find efficient in doing assessment because we always have data-informed feedback. The same thing also when we have in tutoring, it can continuous guidance and support having in AI features. And then the last one, engagement, interactive and gamified learning activities. Now, means this success depends on ethical governance, robust infrastructure, and teacher readiness, harmonizing machine efficiently with human empathy. This is how can we have this one related with activities. And then I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.